Hello, hi, my name is Cathal Johnson, and today we're going to talk about chromatic harmonicas. This is the Super 64X. It's a lovely harmonica. It's a really good harmonica because it has double reed plates. I don't know if you can see that, but the reed plates are doubled up, and that increases the volume of the reeds and makes it very, very responsive. But today I'm going to show you the chromatic scale and how to play it, and it goes like this. And that's the chromatic scale. Now, I was first shown that by Eddie Clarke, a great harmonica player from Dundalk in County Louth, who considered himself, and I considered him as to be better than Larry Adler, and he was sought after in Hollywood. He was asked to play the music to Midnight Cowboy, but Oni was a home bird and stayed at home and played great music on the chromatic harmonica. He was fantastic. He taught me that chromatic scale, and I came back the following week and I went, okay, Oni, here it is. A little bit cleaner than that, but he says, no, he says, isn't that amazing? He says, I showed you how to do that, and you come back a week later and you have it done. Whereas I had to lock myself in the room for a month and learn it by myself, and nobody show me anything. So this goes to show. So this is the chromatic scale again. So you can do it. And because you have a CD, you have EF. There is a semitone between the EF. You can do it this way, or you can go. Now you might want to do that, use that way for more legato or a quicker style of playing. I don't know, you have to choose that. But also you have two C's up here. You've got, and then another C here. So as you're going up, you choose the second C going up. So it leads you on to the next scale. And when you're going down, and when you're going down, you choose the second C going down. So it leads into the second scale. Now, chromatic is a great instrument. When I was playing it, when I was a young lad, I played it. Sometimes the reeds would break. They would break. So I had to get a clean scale. I press it in, and I play it like this. But I found that you get lovely triplets and rolls like you can follow a fiddle roll. So you got, or a C sharp D box, or you can reverse the slide, turn it upside down, so you have that. But you get this lovely. And that's the idea of the reverse, or the Eddie Clarke style, or Irish style some people call it, or reverse style if you take it out. Some people tune the C sharp, this part here, that C sharp right the way down, so when you press the button in, it goes down. And when you go down in semitone, you're playing close to the tradition in Irish music anyway. So that's a bit about the chromatic. So that's it, folks. That's it all for today. There's a little thing about the chromatic. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Skype me up or send me a text or subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up. And give me a like. And talk to you soon.